TCS NQT has announced the test dates, which is going to be in August and November months. So let's see the eligibility criteria for this TCS NQT 2021. Firstly, important note is that there is not going to be any negative marking, and you need not require any calculator or rough paper, because on the screen itself they will provide with rough paper and calci. And one more thing is that 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022 batches can register for the NQT test and can appear for it, but TCS will consider only 2021 and 2022 batch students only. But the advantage is that 2019 and 2020 pass outs can write the test, and with that test marks they can enter into other IT companies. So it's a good start for 2019 and 2020 also. The eligibility criteria, as you can observe here, the qualification is from BE, BTech, ME, MTech of 2021 batch. Even 2022 can also appear, and all branches can write the test. 60% should be in 10th, 12th and in graduation. One backlog they'll consider before writing for the test of TCS NQT, and the educational gap can be only 1 year. Exceeding that they won't consider you. And I have mentioned you about the percentage criteria, 60% in all the classes. I'll mention the registration link in the description box. And guys, please like and subscribe to my channel. What are the skills required for the test is that NQT cognitive skills and subject NQT, that is you should be perfect in programming, actual alignment NQT and industry NQT. I have already mentioned you about the eligibility criteria, that is full-time graduates from 2021, any stream can apply, but for MTech and MSc only computer science and IT, and minimum percentage is 60, only one backlog is allowed. Educational gap is also only for 1 year. Coming to the test pattern of TCS NQT 2021, verbal ability, they are going to give you 24 questions and the time limit is 30 minutes. Reasoning ability, number of questions are 30 and the time limit is 50. Numerical ability, 26 questions, 40 minutes. Programming logic, they are going to ask you about the output of following code. So like that type of questions, 10 they will give you, and you should be solved it in 15 minutes. Coding questions, they will give you 2 questions, and each coding question will be given 15 minutes, that is total 30 minutes. So they are giving you more time, half of the more time they are giving you for reasoning ability, and numerical ability they are giving you more time comparing to other abilities. So guys, these are the details of TCS NQT. Don't wait anymore, apply to it. And finally, additional information I am going to provide you. Few people might have doubt that how many years of gap are eligible. So only 1 year gap in academic career can apply to it. Other than that, no need to apply, because they are not going to select even though if you pass the test. And do TCS NQT change their selection criteria every year? Yes, TCS people are going to change the selection criteria every year. They keep on implementing new things in their selection process. And finally, which branches are eligible for TCS NQT? Once again I am repeating it. Full-time graduates from BE, BTech, ME, MTech. Don't wait anymore, please apply to it. And guys, finally please subscribe and like my channel. I am going to provide the TCS NQT registration link in description box. Please check on it and register.